Induction cooktops with child locks are the safest and most efficient choice for large family kitchens where quick cooking and child safety are top priorities. When planning a large format induction cooktop for a busy family house kitchen project, prioritize multi-zone units that let you run several pots at different temperatures simultaneously while keeping unused zones cold to the touch. Choose models with sensitive pan detection so the surface only heats when a compatible pan is present, and combine that with low temperature simmer settings to prevent accidental burns from sudden high heat. Opt for integrated child locks that physically disable touch controls and require a deliberate sequence to reactivate, and make sure lock controls are located away from the front edge to avoid curious hands. Consider flush mount installation into a continuous countertop to reduce lip edges where spills collect and to allow quick wiping of melted sugars without scraping. For large or irregular cookware, look for bridge zone features that let you link burners into a single extended zone for griddles or long pans. Finally, plan for ventilation, durable cookware with flat magnetic bases, and an installation layout that keeps handles pointed inward and traffic paths clear. 3 common mistakes are choosing a cooktop without adequate zoning for a large household, which leads to crowding and inefficient meal prep. Fix this by sizing the cooktop to your typical simultaneous use and selecting a multi-zone or bridge-capable model. Another issue is ignoring child lock usability, where locks are confusing or inconvenient so they get disabled. Solve this by testing the lock before installation and training caregivers on the simple activation sequence, and place the control cluster in a less accessible spot. A third problem is installing the cooktop with raised edges or gaps that trap spills and make cleaning harder. Avoid this by specifying flush mount cutouts and sealing seams so cleanup is fast and reduces slip or burn risks. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors who can handle large format induction installs and kitchen safety upgrades, and we also help contractors find work and showcase their services. We host an active discussion community where families and professionals exchange project ideas, installation tips, and real-world experiences.